Hey friends, if you wish to download and install more fonts from the Microsoft Store, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Personalization tab on the list on the left hand side, scroll down and select Fonts and click on Get More Fonts from the Microsoft Store. Okay, let it load. And I should tell you that my system already has 98 fonts, but let's say I want to install more fonts. Let's say I want to install this Georgia Pro font. Then all I need to do is click on it and click on get. And even otherwise, if you search for these fonts in the search bar, you can still access them. It will show it here anyway. That is all you need to do. I mean, this is the easiest method to install fonts. Otherwise, if you had to install them from external files, you'll have to select this option and then pick the fonts to browse. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.